Mr. Dwayne Kelly, it's been great having you in class. I know you're in the construction business already. Has the Builders Academy helped you at all in your construction business?
Yes, it is. It certainly has. I've gone to the vent skinning.
You've actually vent skinned your own house. I mean, he was taking the class and got so excited about the vent skinning, he went home the next day, ordered brick vents, and vent skinned his own house. Now we want you to call us back and let us know how much you've reduced your utility bills.
And the radiant barrier, which I will do that this weekend.
What else have you learned in the class?
That over 20 years I have done things that weren't exactly the way that they were.
Like all of us, I mean,
explained in the class.
As I've said in myself, becoming a professional inspector has helped me be even a better builder. It really has, because you learn the quality assurance, quality control. Congratulations, Dwayne.
Thank you. Thank
Give
you.
them a couple pieces of what you've learned out of this class, different foundations, framing, any aspect that has really kicked out other than the vent skinning.
I have done everything from foundations to the framing to the roofs. I just see different ways. It's like when I've had an inspector come to my job, and for certification, the inspector will say, "Did you read the instructions?" Which they will always ask you that when you open shingles, and that's their question. The inspector said, "Did you read the instructions on the package?" Well, I say yes, but he will look at the 6 or 7 other guys, and do they understand the things? Now that I am to this point, I see so many things that I haven't done. I see things that now I need to correct. As far as I just took it for granted to build this lab. I took that for granted. I've only done the sump test or slump test, and I've never done borings, which now I know that's going to be very, very crucial.
Soil borings, also the cylinder test for concrete. You know, you said some really key aspects there. When the inspector comes on a job site, he's a great remodeler, does a lot of business, and he does a lot of roofs. But now he can head off the inspector because he's in our professional inspector program after completing the builder boardroom course, and he'll be able to head off what the inspectors come and look for. He'll already have the answers. It won't be this weirdness, this fuzzy math of what's the inspector going to catch, what's he going to look for. It's going to beat him to the punch.
And the other thing is, I went through a flood, so I lost all my sheetrock 48 inches up. I went back with the purple rock, and the way I've done things now is awesome. It's things that I assumed it was a certain way. I made sure my contractors did it a certain way, and I'm man enough to say that I've had to make some changes.
It's great. I mean, we all have. As I said, I used to do fuzzy math. Hey, put that anchor bolt over there, about 8 feet apart. It's 6 feet apart is what you learn in the professional inspector course. We take the fuzzy math out of home building, give you true quality assurance, quality control, and standard methods and above methods to apply so that you build on a solid foundation. Thank you very much, Dwayne. He is a
Thanks, buddy.
graduate of the Builders Boardroom course, and now he's advancing into the professional inspector course, which will even make him greater in the businesses that he does.
And be able to correct people on their mistakes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.